Yo, what's up? This In the Streets with Keys. I just came back from Medellin, Colombia. I had a great time. I'm gonna tell you the best cheap hotel you can stay at to be close to the nightlife, the food, the malls, all the bars and everything, and you're gonna have a great time, I promise. So we stayed at the Lleras Green, which is like $30 a night. It was clean, it was close. You know my rules if you've seen my videos before. I definitely would recommend staying there if you want to be close to the nightlife. Alright, so it's like a small hotel right by Parque lleras. Okay, it's a shower. So the hotel was in the Parque lleras section, which is like the main strip for all the bars and everything. So you just walk right around the corner, you can have a good time and then hurry up and get back home without having to catch a bunch of taxis.
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blew my top off. Now 6 by Arsenal.
There's a lot of other food places in the neighborhood, stuff that you would recognize like Pizza Hut, Subway, Hooters, ice cream shops, there's clothing stores, everything that you really need. I guarantee you never expected Medellin to look like this from all the stories you hear.
I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical, I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria, park like the one with the carousel.
The hotel does offer a free shuttle from the airport to the hotel, but just not the opposite. I guess they want to get you there, and once they got your money, oh well. It's still not that much. A taxi from the hotel back to the airport is only like $22. They do offer free breakfast downstairs. You can also get your test done at the hotel to get back home. They called a nurse, she came, tested us, and 2 hours later we had our test results to go back home, so that's an option. And that was about $35, so I would do that. Yo, so this is a pro tip. I carry an old gift card with me just so I can use it, keep my AC on when I leave the room. It works like a charm. The hotel can also set you up with any type of tour you want to go on. We chose to do a climb at Guadalupe Mountain. It was dope. It was tiring, but I definitely would recommend it, especially if it's your first time coming. Like, go do something different, have a good time. So I did have a great time in Medellin, especially because the hotel was so close. I'm not gonna lie, chick in the club definitely tried to drug me, but that's a whole different story. I'm definitely gonna make a video about that soon, just to keep y'all safe in that. So even still with that, nothing happened to me. I was good, so I definitely would still recommend going. Just kind of be safe and just be mindful of everything around you. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. I got a lot more videos coming from Colombia, DR, Thailand, Brazil. I got a lot more stuff coming and planned in the woodwork. So yeah, come back, show your boy some love as always. Peace.